In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your EA ID on EA Sports FC. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so you can find this ID if you go to your EA Sports platform. For my case, I'm using this EA app. So if I go to my app, log into your account and then head to your account name here, click on it and choose settings. Under this, head to the first option, my profile. To find your EA ID, go to manage and this will open a new page externally. You will be taken to EA webpage at myaccount.ea.com/ there's information, and here you'll have to log in with your same credentials to access this page. Under this, go to account information, and here you can see a list of account information that you can access. To find or to see your EA ID, click on edit, and then you'll have to send a code for verification on your email. Enter the 6-digit code, so I'll enter mine and then submit. So I'm told here, this will be your public identity across EA games and sites. Don't use your first or last name. Go ahead and click on save once you have confirmed it. So this is my EA ID, as you can see it here. That is your EA ID. So that's how you can find your EA ID on the EA Sports platform. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.